What worries me about the world is that sometimes people are not being nice to each other. I feel really bad when no one plays with me at recess.
The violence and anger in the world, that all worries me.
The fundamental aspect of culture, of society, is compassion.
The compassion flower is a new interspecific hybrid we created to represent kindness. The viola we chose to make the cross has a naturally more spreading habit. The pansy, from the French pensée, think, or pensamiento in Spanish, meaning the thoughtful ones, it implies thoughtfulness in a world that isn't always bright. It reminds us that we're all in this together, we're all human. It's more fragrant than other hybrids, and that comes from the wild viola species.
When children are given the ability to care for something such as a plant and watch it grow, that they themselves are responsible for, it actually changes everything. And it connects them with others, it connects them with the world around them, and fundamentally makes the world a better place.
I was planting the compassion flower for my sister.
It is about love, helping, and kindness.
I would give my compassion flower to maybe an unkind person so they can know what it feels like to be happy.
By helping somebody, they might help somebody else, and that person can help somebody else over and over.
You need enough compassion for everybody in the world. See, enough for every single person. And that's not happening right now, but if we still keep working, we can actually do it.
The compassion flower connects us with our best selves.